Hello, humanities students. So I'm just going to do a quick review on how to do the web quest. That's the Ancient African Kingdoms web quest. First, you go to General Channel, then you come to Assignments. Wait for it to load. It's a little bit older one, so you're going to have to click Load Previous and scroll down a little bit, and you'll find it Ancient African Kingdoms Final Project. Okay, and you can open it in Student View. Just a side note, cohort 4 students, you'll have to open both the useful links and the web quest. This is final project, so let me go back. Apologies. Web quest. Here it is, updated. So cohort 4 students, you'll have to use the useful links and your web quest. You'll have to have the two of them open side by side. For all others, I was able to update before use. So just find this. Click the three dots. I would open in Word Online, makes it a little easier. I'm going to expand this out a little bit. I can find it. Okay, there we go. A little bit. All right, so as it loads, you'll see this was the introduction page. Kind of gave you the task and stuff. These are the links. So cohort 4, you'll find these links in the separate document called Useful Links. And this is the web quest. So you can see I left some stuff here from before. We'll get rid of that. So our first destination is all about Ghana. We answered the first question already, so we'll start with number 2. Why was Ghana well placed for trade? So why is its location good for trade, and wants you to be specific, and what circumstances led to the downfall of Ghana and why? So I'm going to go back to my useful links for Ghana. I want to know why their location is good and why they fell. I'm going to open link. Brings me to Duckstars. Okay. So we already answered the when. The name is not so important. Culturally speaking, yes, it's important, but not to answer our question of why their location was good. Unless it's up here. Where? The Empire of Ghana, located in Western Africa. Today, the region lies just south of the desert. It's mostly savanna grasslands. Major rivers in the region served as means of transportation and trade. Okay, so there by so many rivers, and this makes it a good location for trade. So I'm going to highlight this, copy, go back to my web quest, and next to number 2, put a space, and then I'm going to paste text only. Okay, and it gives me the answers, major rivers. And I don't need this because Ms. Draper already knows what websites I'm using. So the next question, what circumstances led to the fall of Ghana? So I'm going to go back to my website. So we found that the where, when, its name comes from warrior king. They traded iron and gold. Oh, fall of the empire. Began to come under pressure from Muslims to the north and convert to Islam. The kings of Ghana refused and soon came under constant attacks. At the same time, group of people broke free, weakened until they eventually became part of the Mali Empire. So they were weakened. They came under pressure from the Muslims to the north and attacks. Okay. We'll copy, put it here, and we'll put the empire was weakened because, and then I'm going to paste my answers on. It's all right. I'll just get rid of this. Doesn't really matter about font or anything. This is note taking, guys. And then the other group of people of the Susi broke free. Okay, and copy, put this in. And we'll do the same method. And to make it a little more readable, I'm going to go back in here and so what you're going to do is just use The website's provided the links to answer these questions. And then once you're all set, turn it in. Send an email to me telling me it's done so I can get the grading in on time. Thanks. Hope this helps.